In this video, you'll learn how to add the OKX Wallet extension to your web browser. By following these steps, you will be able to easily manage your cryptocurrency activities directly from your browser's interface. Start by opening your preferred web browser. The OKX Wallet extension can be installed on Chrome, Edge, Brave, or Firefox. Ensure that you are using one of these browsers to proceed with the installation. Next, you need to access the extension store for your browser. If you are using Chrome, Brave, or Edge, navigate to the Chrome web store. For Firefox users, go to the Firefox add-on store. You can do this by typing the respective web address into your browser's address bar or searching for it online. Once you are in the extension store, you will need to search for the OKX Wallet extension. Type OKX Wallet into the search bar and press enter. This will display a list of relevant extensions, and you should see the OKX Wallet listed among them. After locating the OKX Wallet, click on the button that says Add to Chrome if you are using Chrome, Brave, or Edge. For Firefox, click on Add to Firefox. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation to add the extension. Click on Add Extension to continue with the installation. Once the extension is installed, you will need to open it. Look for the puzzle icon, which represents extensions, located in the upper right corner of your browser. Click on this icon. From the drop-down menu, select OKX Wallet to launch the extension. To make it easily accessible, you can pin the extension by clicking on the pin icon next to it. Now that the OKX Wallet is open, it's time to set up your wallet. If you are new to OKX, click on Create Wallet. You will be prompted to set a password for your wallet. Choose a secure password and make sure to remember it. Next, you will be presented with a seed phrase. It is crucial to write this seed phrase down on paper and keep it in a safe place, as it is essential for recovering your wallet. After writing it down, confirm the seed phrase as instructed and your wallet setup will be complete. If you already have an existing OKX wallet, click on Import Wallet. You will need to enter your seed phrase to restore your wallet. After entering the seed phrase, set a new password just like before. Once you have completed this step, your wallet will be ready for use. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.